Welcome to GC Cars. My name is Eric and today we are going through a POV test drive in this 2025 Lincoln Corsair Grand Touring. That's the fully spec'd out, top trim plug-in hybrid version of Lincoln's luxury compact SUV. And I do quite like how this looks here with the red accents, so the black accents on the red color. We don't have a full review about this one today, but I'm going to give you still this POV test drive so you can get some impressions of how it is to drive this Lincoln here in Toronto in this case. So I will be quiet for the most time, just occasionally chime in and allow you to experience this luxury SUV for yourself. And we do have the optional $1,900 24-way adjustable seats, which is quite nifty, which I, for real, adjusted in all the wrong ways just to showcase what it can do. Let's start up. What is really fun about the Lincoln steering wheel is that if we press our buttons for cruise control, that's when the lower buttons kind of illuminate themselves to their context-based, and as soon as you turn it back off, the lights turn off as well, and it just looks a little cleaner. But we're gonna go back here, and now just gonna put it into drive. We have halfway topped out battery, so plenty for today's drive. We'll probably be driving all electrically for the most time, and let's put down the AC to 1. Put into Excite Sport mode just to see how quick it is quickly. Not super rapid, but that's not what it's meant for. It's got all the power you need. Back into normal. The gauge cluster is not super customizable, but you can go through different menus here just to see what is available. You can go to the comm screen, which is just a little less information, and infotainment is the usual Ford Lincoln system, the newer versions, and yeah, it's not really much changed. It's not super fast, but we got Android Auto and Apple CarPlay wirelessly, and unfortunately fully digital HVAC controls, which I am not a big fan of, but well, you'll have to decide that for yourself when and if you decide to buy a Corsair. And that concludes today's POV test drive. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe because we got more POV and review videos on this on this channel. I can't speak right now. But either way, hope you enjoyed it. Hope you have a good day, and thank you.